today's video, I sell my luxury handbags and accessories. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot, alias Margavalux. I'm a bag lover, so if you click on this video, maybe you are too, actually, let me know. But I'm going to present you the bags that I want to sell and that you can buy directly on my website, bamluxurystore.com. I created this website in order that this is easier for you. And I had this company with my fiancé, Vincent. We are from France. We live in Spain. So we ship from Spain. So do not hesitate to order. If you have any questions related to customs for a country, ask us. We will tell you, of course. Let's start with this beautiful Louis Vuitton Métis pouch with a strap. Very good condition. I don't have the box either, the dust bag. For this one, it's a pre-loved handbag. Mostly we sell pre-loved, guys, but also we do personal shopping. So if you're looking for something specific, we maybe can look for you. Okay, so the condition is very good. The leather parts are very nice. Metallic parts are like, you have some little scratches, of course. I have the exact same one and it's the same. Leather is also a little bit tanned on the top, but it's perfect. This is very good. So the strap is perfect. Metallic parts here is used a bit because of the movement of the strap, of course. You have the zipper pocket on the bag. That is perfect. Let's open it together. Okay, so the bag itself is beautiful. Like, even inside is gorgeous. You have multiple pockets. Very good condition. No stain. It's gorgeous. I love it. Like, I have to say the bag is in amazing condition. And the price for this one is 1,600 euro, which is a good price. Knowing that right now the price is 2,150 euro in store. So it's actually quite a good deal here. Okay, let's go for something else. If you have also questions related to business, related to bags, related to anything, I'd be very happy to reply to you. So don't hesitate to ask in the comment section or to contact me directly through Instagram. I'm going to let here the 2 accounts where you can contact me. Another bag that is very cute, it's a Celine bucket bag. As you can see here, you have the strap so you can that is adjustable. The strap is adjustable. This is a good bag, like the condition is amazing for this one. It's canvas and leather. What I love about this bag is here, this is a zipper pocket that you have and you can completely go here. So I'm on the other way of the bag and also on the back. So it's actually super nice. It's like a secret pocket. Inside is leather, so it's cool. And I'm going to show you the bottom of the bag. So bottom is actually good. You have some stain. Corners are a little bit rubbed, but that's fine. Let's check the inside now, but I believe it's perfect. Okay, so inside of the bag now is actually very, very good. Leather. You have a zipper pocket also that is insane. I have no stain inside. The bag is in very good condition. And the price is 380 euro, which is so good. So yeah, this is available on the website. You can go shop right now. Another item now, it's an accessory, and this is a scarf from Fendi. I'm gonna, this way you can look more in the front. So this is a wool scarf. This is like stripes, black and brown, and you have like Fendi logo mania here. This is a very good one. Condition is good, very good. I think it was worn a couple of times, but otherwise it's very nice. This is 70% of wool and 30% of acrylic. And the price for this one is 220 euro. Very nice. Let's go for something else that I want to show you. The first time I got this type of bag, so this is a Kaba from Prada, so it's like a Prada tote, sorry. Black leather, this is grain leather, so this is a very good quality one. You have a strap, this is amazing. Condition is perfect on this one, like it's a very, very good condition. Corners are very nice. Little pocket on the front also is. And inside, wow, perfect. You can remove the strap if you want. Inside is very good, you have multiple pockets. I do also have like little papers on the bag. Oh, it's nice. We also have a price inside. You have one little stain inside, but it's very little and it's black on black, so actually it's fine. And the bag, I sell it for 650 euro. And on the tag, it was sold in a previous store, 1,590 euro and 990. So it's actually a very good price for this one. A very, very good deal. 650 euro is amazing. Like, I have nothing to say. It's amazing. I don't want to know. It's amazing. Okay. little accessories. Here I have a cosmetic pouch in damier ébène. Condition is very good. Corners are a little bit rubbed, otherwise very nice. Metallic hardware is a bit used. Now inside. Inside is a red leather. I'm gonna remove my price tag, but inside is red leather. It's very cool. Inside is you have little stains, and it was used, I think, for makeup. You can see it. You have little stains. You have it's like sparkles everywhere. It's cute. And as lots of little pouch like this around the zipper, it starts to peel a little bit, but otherwise very good. Price is 250 euro. Let's go for something else. I love it. This is a Speedy size 40 for this one, a monogram canvas. We have a very good condition actually on this one. Corners are a bit wrapped, but otherwise that's good. We still have the leather part on the zipper, which is cool. When you have this type of bag, never take and open and close the bag with these leather parts. Always take the metallic part to open and close, always. This is fragile. You can change it for 25 euro, but still. And also on the sides, never take the sides of the bag in leather. This is so fragile. Inside is very good condition. It smells a little bit. You have a little odor, but the bag is from 1990, so of course. But it's removable, of course. And it's removable like quite easily, and the price is 540 euro. And because you like this type of bags, I have a big thing. Like, I'm super excited because this is the first time I have one. Ta-da! This is a Keeple, but new version. Like, this is one of the newest collection. This is from last year, guys, and you do have the strap for this baby. This is a Keeple size 50. This is a new collection. So amazing. And they have it in also they released it on the website in blue, green, yellow, blue. I already said blue, like green. And red. Freaking excited because I have finally one, and I know you are going to love it. Like, condition is so good. You have on this side little stain. I think you can remove them actually, like with some little soap. I think it's possible. I had the suitcase attached here. I have padlocks but no keys. The strap is here. Leather is insanely good. As you can see, condition is wow. Do I have like a pouch inside? Yes. Yes, we have the pouch inside. That is amazing. The inside is great. And you don't have serial number anymore. These are RFID chip inside. So this is good. And the price, sorry, I forgot the price. Price is 1,780 euro. Knowing that in store, I believe it's like 2,003 or 2,500 something. I will let you know on the screen directly. But that's insane, actually. Insane. I'm very lucky that we found one. Very lucky. Okay, small accessory again. This is a small SLG Bifod wallet from Louis Vuitton. Monogram canvas. 2 parts. The canvas on the outside is quite good, actually. Leather, no. The corners are a little bit rubbed, but that's fine. Inside is very good on this part with the coins. Now, here with the cards, you have little damage here. Otherwise, here it's also nice. You can put blank banknotes. It starts to damage here on the inside, but that's not that bad. Pressing button works, and when you open it this way, you have up. Let me remove my price tag. These parts of coins that is very good condition, like amazing condition. And the price is 215 euro. So nice. I have this little baby that you love usually. This is Celine vintage one. Well, not so vintage, but pre-loved one. This is canvas, brown canvas and leather. Condition is so good on this one, I must say, like very good. The only thing I could say is like corners are rubbed on the bag, but otherwise very good. Like little stain, but otherwise nothing much. You have a little pocket on the front. Now the bag is wow. Even inside here, the leather is so good. You have 2 little trays that is like probably nothing much, and like a zipper pocket, but so nice. No stain, nothing. This is very good. And price is very good too, 270 euro. I always try with Vincent to make the best price possible for you. Yeah, we always try our best. This is so important for us. So I hope you guys enjoy what we have to show you, what we have to sell. I'm a bag lover, so for me it's like insane, and I'm so happy. And the last but not the least, this is a Speedy 25 Damier Ebene. I think this is the first time I have my hands on it. The last one we got had like the strap. This one is without the strap, so it's quite good. This is a very classic one. Padlock, but I don't have the keys, I believe. Let me check, but I don't think I have them. Nope. Well, no keys, it's fine. Everything is good on this one. Like, corners are a little bit rubbed, but so almost nothing. Inside is insanely good, like no stain. This is gorgeous. Zipper pocket is also very nice. This is a 2016 bag. You have a little odor, but almost nothing. Voila for this little baby, and the price is 770 euro. Hardware is a bit used otherwise, but very nice. Voila for the video of the day. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like this type of videos because I'm doing this every Wednesday. It's like backdrop day. This is our meeting, and later during the night I will be hosting a live on Instagram in English and also in TikTok a bit later, but in French. Thank you so much for following this journey with me. If you have any question related to bags, to luxury, or to businesses, do not hesitate. I'll be super happy to answer this. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.